Good afternoon. My name is Tumuali. I'm Paul's uncle, and I am the graduate's grandpa. Okay. So thank you everyone for attending the special occasion that we celebrate our two granddaughter's graduation today. 头两阵子，我对面在你要用写我。你要多报，你真可以รู้ละ你要读要讲รู้ last name 我要李八老，就ขอเดียว We all came down from the line of 要讲李八老 so this is make me so proud of you. So I see you, Michelle 李八老 and Joel 李八老 make me proud of you guys. And even the 我自己可以，我啲李八老，啲我啲做รู้李八老就好了 So I'm proud of you. Keep continuing Li Pa Lao. That's our great grandpa's name. Okay, so keep continue. Okay, so I will try my speech as fast as I can, and also I've tried to speak English as much as I can. I prepared it Hmong, but I will talk to Paul and he said, "Well, my daughters don't speak much Hmong, so I try to convert it quickly to English as much as I can." Okay, so bear with me. I know that everybody's hungry. Okay. First of all, 我想我叫做我度年底，我背度年底 actually right now in our family， 我年底蹲在礼拜六you know okay， 我年底度年底老呀年底蹲在礼拜六老我年年底圣婆都知道讲可能要我度年底的背景呢我就老的背就背咗啲老的ไป得嚟咯正出背咗我年我ลูกกจงทุน的กู正ช่วย度年底我要年底จ้า要年呢讲相帮จ้า我要圣婆ที่都讲知道ไอ้น้อย背度老的背景呢礼拜六我正我ลูกกจง背咗มี都มีอยู่เฉยๆนะเขียนใน玻璃เนาะในน้องมุจี他我叫做我对面才生子我你จะเจ้าเสียไอ้นี่เกิดเดียเลยJoe ก็เกิดเดีย college 包上เลยMichelle ก็เกิดเดีย high school เลยแต่ชิมาเขียนนี้ให้เดีย for Joe you only halfway through your education so please continue your education to the future until ก็เกิดหมดmaster and also doctor degree so that year we wish God to continue your education for Michelle you just completed the first step of your education. You still have a long way to go. College is ahead of you, and then the graduate is ahead of you, and then the doctor is ahead of you. So you have a long way to go. So be patient and also read the sign and keep moving forward. Okay. And in that case, I will conclude in 3 points. Yeah, 3 topics. There are 3 points for you to remember for today. Okay. Point ที่education. Okay. Point ที่小我能用 be a good person. Point ที่ฝืนเนี่ยฝืนสีเจ้าชีลูก among your sibling. Okay. Benjamin Franklin had the education your best investment to pay the higher interest. It's so true. Anybody here know Benjamin Franklin? $100 bill. That face is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin is one of the key the Low country independent from the English from the British. He's one of the key that make make things change with George Washington, the first president. Okay, let's say quickly. Now the top pay in 2026 those occupational have earned วิริยะจะเกิดสู้เกิดกี่ที่เขาเจ๋งๆเกี่ยวกับว่าในกูชี้อยาก quickly นี่นะฮะเดียโอเคจ่อเกิดเดี๋ยวเดี๋ยวที่เราหรือช่องนี่ตอนนี้เราชับเลยช่องนอช่องอัพพันในกูโจนอย่าละชีorthopedic surgeon อย่าเปล่าหัวเก่าผาตัวละตัวอีกช่องคนนี้ average ไม่จะตัวเฉยๆไม่จะตัวโตจ้ะ oral maxillofacial surgeon อย่าไปหัวเก่าอีผาตัวละตัวอีกช่องอย่า anesthesiologists อย่าไปปัวไปผาตัวอีกช่องpsychiatric อย่าไปปัวชี้เจ้าผาตัวอีกช่องcardiologist อย่าตัวอัปปัวชี้เจ้าผาตัวอีกช่องemergency medical physician อย่าอัปปัวไปเจ้าผาตัวอีกช่อง dermatologist อย่าตัวอัปปัวไปเจ้าผาตัวอีกช่อง chief executive officer อย่าตัวอีปัวอีกตัวผา Airline pilot 要得一杯就 Chief Financial Officer 要得一杯就背爬Chief Technology 要得一杯下就叫爬Pediatric Surgeon 要得一杯下就一爬 Dentist 要得一杯下就叫爬 Okay, so 古摸狗背靠你那时候 so I just skip the rest and I continue. So education is very important to 错令啲人有好多啲地呢 ，okay， 有好多啲地呢。Let me reflect into the turn of the century, the 1900, the turn of the 1900. 俾咗人講嘢不落嚟，叫你做咩話？就 along with the 叫嗰啲人 Joshua migrate from China to Laos. We call the operation with the Chinese people, and then 整嘢整地啲 taxes to our people. So that's why they migrate from southern China to Laos. Okay, so the turn of the century, 1900, none of the Hmong people know how to read and Lao. Okay, none of them know how to read and write in Laos language. Okay, so you know, he has bold vision. So New York 天嚟摸你就呢單錯啦，門啲一度唔落，一度嚟控唔落，都係 teach 俾你รู้咗，一路問題對一咗。So he spent a lot of money to spend for the Lao teacher to teach his son. Who is his son? 你要講從主理 that's what 要想把 hire a teacher to come to taught 要從主。So the whole village that 下一就搞路上被下地球不老地呢 none of them know how to read and write in Laos. Only 要從主啲人就天裡冇本事就當人不老天亂不老 okay 天得上到先 At the same time 有到弄黑呢有到弄黑我想 east of us only 要離風天得上到先 You know what 頭落結凍到成啦到話一度內結凍同的結凍冇嚟對結凍冇離風啦我哋都等到 the secretary sir 也要你那離風天裡包嗰啲可正經的就幾就經濟有得住路上那要發記要到假單錯 into China 呢啲條不落啲條一拉啲條 Cambodia 要發記要到住呢 we call Indochina the empire of the French empire 要上啊 okay so 要你那啲要離風 deal with the Lao government and also deal with the French authority. So you live from the bottom it's a Genji education is the key for them to be success. So he spent all his money. The end bao tu dan chua mu ke wa gần dan blo. Chau ne gần blo ren chen dia mu do nya la te mu ke college do nya la te tia. And you know what? 1960. Three of Li Fong Jatu very become successful and powerful in Laos. Okay, to iya panya Tumbi Li Fong ne. Tumbi is one of the New La War 1960 New York to Minister of the Health Department of Government Laos 1960. And Tunza Li Fong was the Chief Justice to Minister of Lao Minister of the Chief Justice to Dichem Blanc. And then one of the more important, but his name does not appear much on history, and that's Tu Lia. Okay, Tu Lia, New Hawk, they knew your energy. 錯了俾了阿克蒂呢，敦實鐵Tu Lia 嘅不能冇個กฎหมาย有嘢啦啲咯。Tu Lia 就 co-author 做嗱主block 個不必成夢有啲條 block 做路線1950 1960呢，落我必成 citizen block, including all the minority, and that is the duty of Tu Lia have achieved and have done for all of us, the minority in country in Laos, and that is historical. So Li Fong Pei to become very successful and what type of talk. Now back to Pei Yun Song Chu, Ne Yun Song Chu. Now, 頭呢一切就不夠做，要到成個手學了我到成，因為被下被對頭。我哋覺得係大嚟，下一都你說單錯下第一只會都能掙到哩，轉從主力第兩天走上到上頭是 ，guess what？ 1916從主了我到 secretary for 到成個手 ，OK？ So 要領得 what time blow the king si sa vang vong lu xian de what time blow king si sa vang vong ne la wa tu what time nhất de ne the shoi nan dai ba tha ai dai dai ba tha to yin chong chu ha de tu no yo no chu I tu pe sing ne kia la kia ka do no chu ma tu no ne exam tax and exam coolie work local government work chỉ buôn song chu một qua lao cả thế chỉ show song chu tax. That is the education, the value of the education. Can you imagine that? So now, it doesn't matter on what time. It doesn't matter at what time. Chỉ hay one ipacho po chỉ cho ipacho po cổ, or chỉ hay the year of 2026 and today. Cái cần đó nó so you can see the picture where elder in the history did it, and now you guys need to continue at the point how value of the education, how important that will change your life forever. Okay, so now let's move on to the number 2. I'll be go fast as I can. Okay. 小恩很凶 Okay. Now. Cú bỏ tao thì cú đi lâu tuôn giờ lý ba lâu thiên cú đi lâu này có xong bỏ bây chế nên lý ba lâu nói ý chế nên dùng cho khó thì I've been grow up with them and then now the past đó là cú chế bỏ cú cho sinh lên sinh tử lý nê nó grow up in my eyes, so I be proud of that. So we born into the good family. Họ từ này thì major tuôn giờ lý ba lâu cho nông là gì. They are very much all home and know Tunza Lipalao. So Tunza Lipalao. So is that the name? As ilu kong lu bei zhong zhou lu zhong ne. So John Jolin there. Jolin nan zi. 这是做家咪都咪有啊，家咪都能学到单车。个你叫家的，你怎么帮他家咪也来了呀？你帮他咪也来的，你我来呢。เราให้เรารู้ว่าตกหมูแห้งเป็นแห้งตกหมูกาเป็นกาJolin there 呢。If you want to translate what English in if you stick with the eagle, you will become the eagle. If you stick with the vulture, you will become the vulture. What did the eagle do? The eagle, they stick on the high on the tree and they see the fish, they dive to catch the fish, they eat fresh. What is the vulture do? The vulture, they eat the rotten meat on the road, everything like that. So be wise, choose your friend wisely. Okay, chỉ hai tu tuần thai nữa. Nếu mà bỏ thì nói July 4, J4 is coming up. Careful, mình nhớ lái有新道nữa nè, be careful, watch it for that. And John there, cho chim nông niệm nông sĩ lô, một lái một chuẩn. Okay, you ấy tuần thai là chỉ riêng. 他们我现在龙舟，他们在龙舟不个有他们也招这样的，他们prostitute 这样呢 ，OK 这样呢，就其实这样就我也赔，我来我个我就我做的这样呢，这样我做的什么，可能กู还抽象了，什么กูจะมันใช่นี่อย่างนั้นยองจีเจียสิกูจัวก่อนนี่ remind ยอดเนี่ยนี่ยอด to mention don't go do bad thing, don't go mix with the bad people, will ruin your life. Okay. Let's move on to the last point. Okay, point B, respect your parents. Okay, and love each other. นี่อยู่ตรงนี้เราเตียงวันห้องหายเตียงเขาเตียงกี่เนี่ย Okay, 抽呢，你也别说你整更到更等几天，抽也别说你整天做的一种那天。Okay, this is how life is gonna be. Okay, so 有人呢 respect 你年你自己有我有老了有没那么干了，路有年路几天弄了点你啊去 can I help？只係乜嘢乜嘢啦，又多把啲奴好把好借啦，有啲人咯。respect 裏邊嘅話嘅，呢個指的係不大，你對呢波頭面咩咯？冇係嘅，入我大事呢，你好你本呢頭面咩嘢上落，我做呢路練到大事，我能用呢大事咯。So respect them and love them，我頭對佢路嘅路嘅呢，嘅可能，同你講今天，你要做呢麼brother sister，你要做新路而望呢個 brother sister。從來你只冇 brother sister， 啫，你只冇叫 cousin， 叫民用話你只冇 cousin， 你只冇 uncle auntie， 叫民用話聽，路了單車，要坐有年下，坐有幾下，叫你 relate 到你單車，也冇了小的有天你落開呢。So remember, love your parent and love all your siblings, relate in their family. Okay, so that is hai cho sa ke lu và chú sa lu hai cho ho Ephesians trong trong the order the pain ha tian honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment, which is a promise, so that it may be well and with you, and then you will live long and in this earth. ก็ฝึกก็เนี่ยก็สีก็จะชี้รู้ว่าจิ๋วฝงก็มองตัวก็ต่อขัดซอกก็มองน้ำรัวเมียนก็รู้นี่ก็จิตตัวเกี่ยวเนี่ยที่ก็ย้อนนั้นเดลี่ก็เล่นนี่ป้อนั่นแหละนี่เล่นนี่ป้อแต่สิ่งนั้น okay so that is a blessing from the Lord up there to blessing to you if you respect your mom and 这ชี้รู้ among yourself and 这รู้นี่ชอบวันชอบหมู่ว่าไล่ว่าจงเจนี่จีเจียอย่างนี้ต่อเขา blessing from the God the creation the God of the creation of this earth okay so อย่างนี้เนาะlast thing, I want you to keep your auntie, Dr. McGong, take her as example, as a role model for your life. She achieved a lot. She the whole the เกิน到先到 doctor degree, 你去到念到 okay, 你去到念到 so take her as your role model in your life. The nature 也活 be you still have a long way to go. So use your auntie Maikong, Dr. Maikong will need to role model in your life, okay? Okay? So 他们超點一就要知道字呢，個字知了，個跟到寫了，根本那麼講我根本嘢了，字也都寫過了，他是沒有 come find you, okay? Remember that, okay? So, okay, 有呢啲你都係阿比拉魯呢，抄到呢書，話wish you the best. Thank you.